Lab start logs -syslog. Lab start logs -syslog. SSH student at the rate server A. Sudo -i. Password is student. So on the server A machine, configure the rsyslog service on the server A machine to log all messages. With the debug or higher priority for any service to the new /var/log/messages-debug log file. By changing the /etc/rsyslog.t/debug.conf configuration file. So in the server A machine, I will change the etc/rsyslog.t/debug.conf file with the necessary entries to redirect all log messages with the debug or higher priority to the var log messages-debug log file. The configuration line logs syslog messages with any facilitated with the debug or higher priority levels. Okay, in the server A machine, vim /etc/rsyslog dot d /etc/rsyslog.t/debug.conf /etc/r/syslog.t/debug.conf. /etc/rsyslog dot d directory. There is only one file, 21-cloudinit.conf cat etc rsyslog.d /21-cloudinit.conf. So I'll create a debug.conf file. I'll create a debug.conf file. Vim etc/r/syslog.d/debug.conf file. In the debug.conf file, I will enter *debug. So all the debug messages should go to where log messages hyphen debug. So asterisk.debug should go to where log messages hyphen debug all the asterisk debug messages where log messages hyphen debug and restart the rsyslog service. etc rsyslog.e/debug.conf systemctl restart rsyslog. So generate a log message with the user type and the debug priority. So type is user and priority is debug. So logger-p user.debug and double quote debug message test. Logger-p user.debug debug message test. Logger-p user.debug debug message test. Tail where log messages debug. Tail where log messages debug. So here the debug message test has come. Is logged in this log file. Exit 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 lab finish logs syslog lab finish logs syslog. So lab start logs systemd. SSS student at the rate server A. Journal CTL underscore PID is equal to 1. So only the log events that originate from the system PID1 on the server 1 machine. Similarly, journal CTL underscore UID is equal to 81. Journal CTL underscore UID is equal to space underscore UID is equal to 81. Journal CTL-P warning. Journal CTL-P warning. Q to exit. Journal CTL-P warning. So error message here SSSD. General CTL hyphen since double quote hyphen 10 minutes. General CTL hyphen since in double quote hyphen 10 minutes. General CTL hyphen since in double quote hyphen 10 minutes. So in the past 10 minutes from the current time. General CTL hyphen since 9 o'clock underscore system D underscore unit is equal to SSHD dot service. General CTL hyphen since 9 o'clock underscore system D underscore unit underscore system D underscore unit is equal to SSHD dot service. General CTL hyphen since 9 o'clock underscore system D underscore unit is equal to SSHD dot service. Exit. Lab finish logs hyphen system D. Lab finish logs hyphen system D. Lab start logs hyphen preserve. Lab start logs hyphen preserve. SSS student at the rate server A. SSS student at the rate server A. Sudo ls slash var slash log slash journal. Student password. Sudo ls var log journal. No such file or directory. Sudo mkdir var log journal. Sudo mkdir var log journal. Uncomment the storage underscore auto. Line in the etc system D journal d.conf file and set the storage parameter to the persistent value. For sudo vim etc system D journal d.conf file uncomment the storage is equal to auto line and set storage is equal to persistent. Storage is equal to persistent. etc systemd journald.com 5 storage is set to persistent sudo systemctl reboot sudo systemctl reboot ssh student at the rate server a ssh student at the rate server a sudo ls slash var slash log slash journal slash var slash log slash journal sudo ls var log slash var slash log slash journal slash the id sudo ls slash var slash log slash journal slash id for system.journal user 8000.journal exit lab finish log siphon preserve lab finish log siphon preserve lab start log siphon maintain lab start log siphon maintain ssh student at the rate server a tz select select the appropriate time zone for it so first select Americas 2 and then it for it is 28 it it is 28 28 is it so time zone is equal to America slash port hyphen AU hyphen prince. The following information has been given. IT. So yes, S is one number one. Sudo time date CTL set hyphen time zone America slash port hyphen AU hyphen prince. Sudo Time date, CTL, set type and time zone. Time date, CTL, set type and time zone. America slash port hyphen AU hyphen Prince. Pseudo time date, CTL, set type and time zone. America slash port hyphen AU hyphen Prince. Password is student. Time date, CTL. So now the time zone is America slash port hyphen AU hyphen Prince for the IT region. Edit the slash etc slash crony.conf configuration file to specify the classroom.example.com as the server. So etc crony.conf configuration file. So vim. So you cannot edit by without sudo. With sudo I can edit sudo. So server entry, change the server entry. I'll comment this entry, copy paste here. I will type classroom.example.com. Classroom.example.com. Save and exit. Sudo time date CTL set -ntp to true. Sudo time date CTL set -ntp is true. See, earlier it was system clock synchronization was no and NTP server was inactive. Service was inactive now. Type the time date CTL command again. Time date CTL. System clock synchronized, yes, and the NTP service is active. Crony sources -v. Crony C. Crony C sources -v. So classroom.example.com is here. IP address slash MS name. Classroom.example.com. Return to the workstation as a student user exit. Lab finish logs-maintain. Lab finish logs-maintain. So lab start log siphon review. So lab start log siphon review. SSH student at the rate server B. SSH student at the rate server B. TZ select Americas and 30 Jamaica and yes one. Sudo time date CTL set hyphen time zone America slash Jamaica. Sudo time date CTL set hyphen time zone America slash Jamaica. Sudo time date CTL set hyphen time zone America slash Jamaica. Give the password is student. Time date CTL command. So time zone is now America slash Jamaica. General CTL hyphen since in double quote minus 30 minutes. General CTL hyphen since in double quotes minus 30 minutes. General CTL hyphen in double quote minus 30 minutes. So create the etc or syslog.d slash auth-errors.conf file. So and make this create this entry authpriv.alert slash var slash log slash auth-errors. So create the etc or syslog.d pim etc or syslog.d slash auth-errors.conf file. So etc or syslog.d auth-errors.conf file here it mention authpriv.alert authpriv.alert messages authpriv.alert to var log auth-errors var log auth-errors authpriv.alert to authpriv.alert to var log auth-errors. So I need to use sudo here, sudo vim etc r syslog.d auth-errors.conf authpriv.alert to var log auth-errors var log auth-errors cat etc r syslog.t slash auth-errors.conf etc r syslog.t slash auth-errors.conf authproof.alert authproof.alert where log auth-errors. So sudo systemctl restart r syslog sudo systemctl restart r syslog sudo systemctl restart r syslog logger-p authproof.alert logging test authproof.alert logger-p authproof.alert logger-p authproof.alert logging test authproof.alert. So logger-p authproof.alert space double quote logging test authproof.alert sudo tail var log auth-errors sudo tail var log auth-errors. You can see the message here logging test authproof.alert. Exit lab grade log siphon review lab grade log siphon review lab finish log siphon review lab finish log siphon review